Hi, the question I get most often is, how do I submit things, or how do I know things are submitted? So I've shown you up here the turn in button. That also makes sure that we have everything saved. So always make sure that it says all changes saved. If it doesn't, make sure you go save now. It's also good to make sure you do that anyways, because as we know, technology is not always the most accurate. All right, so it is saved now. So now if we just hit this lovely turn in button, it's going to save to my Google Drive or your personal Google Drive so you can see it later. So it is submitted. If we look onto Google Classroom from the student side, let me go. We can turn in here. So one attachment will be submitted for future presentation. So I haven't had to add anything. I haven't had to change anything. I'm just going to go turn in. Again, if we now look over here to the teacher side, we are going to go to student work. I have now been switched over to handed in. So I can go in here as the teacher and I can open this up. Let's make this full screen so we can all see it better. So you can see it says handed in on the 2nd of April at 9:51. I can grade with Cami. I can give marks, private comments, all of that stuff through Google Classroom like normal. And we will just wait for this once again to load. So again, you can see all of the work that I've been doing in these videos has shown up here. I have my smiley face drawn. I have my incorrect value of pi. So again, me as the teacher, I can go in and fix that. I have my 3 pictures. I have the comment I left. I have the audio message I left. I have the video message I left. So me as the teacher can see everything that you haven't done. So then what I can do on my end, oops, sorry, I didn't want to hit that button. So if I unclick grade with Cami, it takes me out of Cami, which of course I didn't want to do. So let me go back into that. And I can now start adding marks and comments and mark right on here. So you all know teachers like to mark with red, so I can go, yay, check mark, that is correct. I can add a text box. Again, I can type in a different color to make sure that you can see. And I can say, no, this should be 3.1415926. So you missed the 9, and I can accent it. Maybe I do an underline, if it'll work. I like that. Do underline. All right, that's not gonna work. So then I can go back to drawing, say no, not quite. Favorite animal, I can go perfect. That's what you should have. Yes. No, that is not the same animal. I can listen to your audio. I can give you a message back. I can even add more pages and maybe type up some comments for you. Everything all on one page like we would do if you were actually handing in a paper copy. So this is why I really like this program, and I hope we get to use it more in this new time of online work. So there you go. There's the student side of it and the teacher side of it. I hope these videos help make this process a lot easier.